Hello students, I am Digonto Bora, your new chemistry teacher. In previous classes, you have learned about different type of valences, that is positive valences and negative valences. In this class, we will learn writing of formula from the knowledge of valency. So that means we will write here some formulas of compounds from the knowledge of valency that you have learned in previous class. Okay? To write the formula, you have to follow some steps. First step, write the symbol of the positive ion or radical to the left and the negative ion or radical to the right. So suppose we are going to write the formula of the compound formed by Mg2 positive and Cl negative. One is positive compound or positive ion, another is negative ion. Okay, and here we will see the formation of compound by the combination of these two ions. So first you have to write the positive ion to left and negative ion to right. Okay, then put the valency number of each ion below or above them. You can put their valency number above them or below them. So here I will put their valency number below them. So here the valency number is 2. So therefore below magnesium I have to put 2. Here the valency number is 1. Therefore below chlorine or chloride ion I have to put 1. In third step, exchange the valency number and divide by highest common factor to get the formula. In third step, you have to exchange their valency numbers. Here will be magnesium. The valency number of chlorine is 1. So you have to put 1 here. Then chlorine, the valency number of magnesium is 2. So therefore, after exchanging, you have to put 2 here. Okay. After that, divide by highest common factor to get the formula. Here the common highest factor is 1. So I have to divide this formula by 1. So after dividing by 1, the result will be same, that is MgCl2. Therefore the formula of the compound formed by Mg2 positive and Cl negative is MgCl2. So these are the steps you have to just follow. First, you have to write the symbol of positive ion to left and negative ion to right. After that, you have to put their valency numbers below them. Valency numbers below them. After that, just exchange their numbers to get the formula. But before getting the formula, you have to divide these valency numbers by their highest common factor to get exact formula of the compound. Okay, these are the simple steps you have to just follow. Okay, now let's take example of the compound formed by Ca2 positive and SO4 2 negative. So you have to write the positive ion to left and negative ion to right. After that, you have to put their valency number. Here the valency number is 2. Here the valency number is 2. Okay. Now you have to exchange their valencies. Calcium, the valency of sulfate. This one is sulfate. You already know, SO4 2 negative. The valency of sulfate is 2. You have to write 2 here. After that, you have to write sulfate SO4. Now valency of calcium is 2. You have to write 2 here. But this 2 will multiply with whole sulfate. So therefore you have to put bracket, which is very important. 2 will be multiplied with both of sulfur and oxygen. Therefore you have to put bracket. Okay. Now the highest common factor of both 2 is 2. So therefore you have to divide this formula with 2 and you will get CaSO4. This one is exact formula of the compound formed by Ca2 positive and SO4 2 negative. Okay, very easy. Let's take another example. Suppose we are going to write the formula of the compound formed by Al3 positive and SO4 2 negative. Positive on left side, negative on right side. Here the valency number is 3. Here the valency number is 2. Because 2 negative, here 3 positive. The valency number 3, valency number 2. Now you have to exchange their valencies. Aluminium will get 2 and SO4 will get 3. So this 3 will multiply with whole the group, that means sulfur and oxygen. So therefore you have to put bracket. The highest common factor of 2 and 3 is 1. So if you will divide 2 and 3, the result will same. So therefore the exact formula is Al2SO4 3. Okay. We'll take another example. Suppose the compound formed by Ca2 positive and O2 negative. Valency number is here 2, here the valency number is 2. They will exchange. You have to write Ca2 and O2. Highest common factor of 2 is 2. So therefore, our highest common factor of this 2 will be 2. Therefore, you have to divide them with 2 and the result will be CaO. That means when 2 will be divided by 2, here the result will be 1, here the result will be also 1. So therefore, the exact formula of this compound is this one. Okay. So in this class, we have learned about writing of formula from the knowledge of valency. Okay, thank you.